Hello everyone, I am Saloni More, third year IT student of RMD Sinhagad College of Engineering. I recently completed my internship at Skill IT Academy. During this time, I work as Java full stack developer intern. I had opportunity to enhance my skill in front-end, back-end development, AWS and database. I gained hands-on experience on multiple projects, but my major focus was Shopify e-commerce website. To complete this website, I use in front-end Angular. To complete this project in front-end, the user interface was built using Angular. In back-end, Spring Boot framework to handle RESTful APIs, business logic and security. MySQL is used as a database to store the data. We implement Hibernate to connect Spring Boot and database. The whole application was deployed on the AWS. Thanks to Santosh sir and whole Skill IT staff. Thank you.